Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I welcome you to my channel. I do a lot of things such as grocery hauls, unboxing, reviews, lifestyle vlogs, and motherhood vlogs, and other things like that. So today's video is a Valentine's Day walkthrough of Target and Home Goods. A lot of great finds were found in this store first at Target. So this video is a collaboration. This video is in collaboration with Wanda from Miss Amaechi. You also can check out her other channel, Grandma Does It All. They both will be linked in my description box down below. For today's video, I strictly did a walkthrough of Target and Home Goods. Target had a lot of great things that I wanted to buy to put into my kitchen and my dining room and my living room that would make a great asset for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is one of those days where it goes by really quickly, and it's not a big holiday such as Christmas and Halloween or Thanksgiving, but it still is something that we celebrate. So a lot of people during Valentine's Day go and look for things for their hot chocolate bars. They look for gifts for others. They also look for gifts for their pets, and they look for things to decorate the inside of their home. And this is exactly what I did. I went in Target and I tried to find things that I wanted. I eventually drifted off to Home Goods, where you guys will see me at the end of the video. So for now, I'm just gonna let you guys sit back and watch what Target has to offer, and I'll catch up when we get to Home Goods.
Gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out.
So as I come to the end of my shopping trip in Target, I will say they had a lot of great things, such as like things for baking and Valentine's for the kiddos. In Home Goods, I literally went berserk when I seen all of the pretty Valentine's Day Ray Dunn stuff, such as the mugs and the stuff to keep like sugar in and things to keep like your tea in. It was just really great to see different things, and of course to find all types of different things, such as like the sugar that you can put on cookies, or things that you can use to bake stuff, or things like that. Like, it's just the little things that definitely make you want to buy it, but you know that you don't need it. Thank you all so much for watching this video today. Please be sure to go over to Miss Amaechi's channel and check out her video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.